Hello there, Kimberly Olson from Gold Digger Girl Co. And I am doing a series on Claude because so many people are talking about it. I have so many of our students going, do I need this? Is it one more thing? And actually you do need it. It is different than ChatGPT. In fact, it's moving faster on its capabilities than ChatGPT. So I suspect all of you will move over to it and some of you will completely migrate to Claude. You won't even use ChatGPT anymore. If you look in this series or below the last couple episodes, I did do a comparison to show you how I am still using ChatGPT for some things. And I showed you the differences with Claude. So you might want to watch that. The last video I showed you just how to get started with it, get it set up. Today, we're going to actually get into Google Calendar. So I know you have so many different things you want to do in your business, and you're really struggling with finding time to get them all done. And mapping it out and putting all the pieces together, it can be a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you today how you can use Claude to map out your life and just get organized. It's been so great. I was really struggling with being able to create content in the morning. I obviously have to get my daughters off to school. They're in two different schools. It's back and forth in the morning. Also, I do options trading, creating content, checking on a Slack. I was struggling to get my workouts in the morning. So I used used Claude to do it, and it mapped everything out for me. And I'm now able to get it all done. Like, it's just the coolest thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to come over to Claude, create an account, watch my last video. And then the main thing that you will need to do is click customize. And you're going to go ahead and click connect your apps. And I do need you to log into Google, so a Google Calendar. And that way it can access your Google Calendar. So do that first, just so this tutorial will make sense. Also, you might be able to do it right here. We're going to take a look and see. So if you're on the home screen for Claude, and see where it says from Drive, from Calendar, like you can interact with it once you get those connected. Click the plus symbol, and you can actually go ahead and connect. This is everything I have connected. So what you can do is you can add connector and click that as well. If you're watching this and not sure where to go, click add connector and then go ahead and connect your Google Drive. So let's go ahead and get started. The prompting is very important. So we're just gonna word vomit. We're gonna tell it everything that's happening right now. We need help. I do recommend using the voice memo feature. It's right there. You can see it. You can also use the app, and that way you can just get all your thoughts out. Okay. So we're just going to pretend that I'm in a glass case of emotion right now and I need someone to help me get organized. Okay. Hello. I need your help. I'm going to just have typos and not care right now, just for ease of speed here. Okay. I need your help scheduling. Okay. I can't help it. It has to be correct. Scheduling my workouts. I'm going to pretend I am training for a 5K. I need to run 3 days a week, preferably mornings. What else would you need to do? Okay. I need to record podcasts every week. I need to create, we'll say 7 reels a week. I need to cook dinner. What else could you be struggling with? I also know that my content days need to be batched to keep my energy focused. Let's see. I also need time to write emails and work on my funnels. Oh, okay. And it might ask some questions, which is really cool. I've already had it work on my calendar, so it may already have enough from me, but there's also a chance that it asks you some questions. So just be prepared. So what's really nice, it's not going into your, lacing up the running shoes. It's not going into your calendar and doing anything. You have to give it permission to do that. So don't worry about that. What it's going to first do is give you an example like this so you can see what your days can look like, okay? So here's a structured weekly schedule built around your priorities. You can use this as your repeating template each week. All right, so it's going to show me AM, mid-afternoon, blah, blah, blah. Okay, all of this looks good. Let's just pretend we like it. Okay, reels are batched on Tuesday, Thursdays. Okay, a few notes. So see, this is actually good for you guys to watch it this way. We want to batch things that are similar tasks to keep our energy high, because if you're trying to write an email or building a funnel and it's hard for you, or maybe you love that, and then you have to turn around and record content, it just doesn't work. Or meetings all throughout the week. It's better to have your meetings or coaching calls on 2 days a week, okay? So here's when the runs are. And then if I don't like something, I would just tell it, oh, I can't do that. That's not going to work, okay? few things worth confirming. Okay, here we go. Do you have specific race dates? I don't want to run on Mondays. I do options trading and just too busy. Okay, let's see. How many podcast episodes? I record 4 at a time, once a month. Standing team calls. You will see all my standing calls on my Google Calendar. Okay, let's see what it says. Okay, I'm gonna pause this while it works. Okay, now as you can see, it says, let me pull up the next. So it went into my calendar to see, which is cool. Good news, I can see your calendar. Here are your recurring commitments. Okay, so this is all the stuff I already have. So where's the MME? I don't know where it's seeing that, but that's okay. Just make sure when you log into Google, if I have 2 Google accounts, make sure you're in the right one for whatever project you're working on, because it can create spreadsheets for you and things like that, which I'm going to show you when we get to the content strategy. ChatGPT can't do that, right? Chat can like make you kind of show you what to put on it, but it can go into your Google account and create spreadsheets and things like that for you. So it's showing me based on what it can see in my calendar. It's showing me options and admin day, content day, podcast calls, content day 2. Okay. So, okay. A few things worth flagging. Tuesday's your most packed day. So this way, this is what's so amazing. It's going to show you your blind spots. Oh, okay. Tuesday might be too packed. So do we want to adjust that, right? Wednesday afternoons are your cleanest reoccurring window. Monday's correctly cleared of any runs. One thing to confirm, do you have a specific date? Okay. Now, what you can do is you can say to it, I'm not going to do it because I don't want all of this stuff on my calendar. But what you can do is you can say, go ahead and actually, I don't want to do it because I don't want it to put it in there, but you can say, can you go ahead? I approve this schedule. Will you please add this to my calendar? And then it's going to say approve for you to go into your Google Calendar, and it's going to add it in. And the way it did it for mine, because I can see my screen over here, it says school run number 1, because I was working in like getting my girls off to school and making breakfast. And it has a little school emoji. It has a little omelet emoji for the breakfast, communication checks for Slack. It has a cell phone. So it's cool because it color coded. It put it on repeat automatically. So you can have it just automatically fill up your calendar. And then if you want to change anything, you can tell it, oh, wait a minute, I messed up, change that. Or you can just go in yourself and change it. So there was some stuff in here. After a while, I deleted it because I just had it down. I just had to get into that routine. You know what I mean? So that's awesome. I want you to give this a go. The best way you're going to learn Claude is to get in there. So don't just watch my videos and other people's videos and just be really smart. You have to get in there and use it, because if you don't, you're going to absolutely forget what I said, and then you're never going to use it. So go ahead, task yourself with the challenge of building out your calendar, even if it's one thing. I mean, what's cool is you could even put your content on your calendar. So once you map out your content, which I'm going to teach you next, you could put that into your Google Calendar. So we're going to do it where you could put it on Asana or a spreadsheet or whatever you use to organize content. You could put it right in your calendar. So each day you pull it up and it's literally has, okay, this is what you're doing for your content. So it's worth sitting down and figuring it out. Also, I'm going to extend a business audit to you. You can apply for one. They're free, and I will audit your social media, and I will tell you what's working, what isn't, what you need to fix. My objective is to help you figure out how to get more leads and make more sales consistently on social. So look below that episode. We periodically have slots open for that, and I'd like to extend that offer to you. And watch the other Claude videos because these are short. They build upon each other. I don't want you to miss any of those. So hit the button to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, get lit in your business and set your soul on fire. We'll see you soon.